A dishwasher is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a live-in housekeeper, a teaching tool for children's chores, and even a form of radical self-care or couples therapy. When choosing the perfect dishwasher, consider factors beyond size, as most models are standard 24 inches wide and 35 inches high. Your budget and desired features will play a larger role in decision-making. Typical dishwashers cost between $600 and $1,100, with higher-end models offering additional racks, hidden controls, smart features, and numerous cycle options. However, the dishwasher itself is often less important than the dish detergent used and proper loading techniques for achieving sparkling clean dishes. After evaluating popular models across various price points, we've identified the top 6 built-in dishwashers. These include Bosch 300 Series SHSM 63W55N, Whirlpool WDF 520P ADM, KitchenAid KDF M404KPS, Samsung DW8OR9950US, Black Plus Decker BCD6W, LG LDP6810SS. When selecting a dishwasher, consider key features such as energy efficiency, quiet operation, sanitizing cycles, smart features, and the number of racks. The Bosch 300 Series SHSM 63W55N stands out as the best overall model. Dishwashers, all the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. 1. Whirlpool WDT750SAKZ Dishwasher. The Whirlpool WDT750SAKZ dishwasher combines efficiency, style, and practicality, seamlessly integrating into any kitchen. Its energy-saving design, quiet operation, and 3 stylish finishes, basic black, white, and fingerprint-resistant stainless steel provide a perfect blend of form and function. With 3 adjustable racks, 6 wash cycles, and delayed start options, loading is flexible and convenient. Although it lacks smart features, its reliability, durability, and effective cleaning make it an exceptional value for those prioritizing simplicity and effectiveness in their dishwasher. Pros: energy-efficient design, quiet operation 39 dBA, 3 adjustable racks, 6 wash cycles, delayed start options, durable stainless steel tub, 3 stylish finish. Cons: no smart features for remote control monitoring, limited customization options for cycle settings, no steam cleaning feature, no Wi-Fi connectivity. Key specifications: dimensions 24W x 33.5H by 24D, capacity 16 place settings, Energy Star certified, 1-year limited warranty. The LG LDP6810SS dishwasher boasts impressive features, including a steam setting for better drying, SmartThink Wi-Fi app control, and exceptionally quiet operation. Its True Steam technology, coupled with 4 cleaning arms, provides 60% better drying and sanitized dishes, ensuring peace of mind, especially during cold and flu season. The 3-rack design optimizes loading capacity, allowing for more space on the bottom rack for dishes and bowls. This LG dishwasher is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling seamless voice control. Additionally, the SmartThink app allows for remote monitoring and management. Its energy-efficient design minimizes power consumption, keeping utility bills in check. While it's pricey and may require pre-rinsing silverware, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Key specifications include dimensions 24W x 33.5H by 24D, capacity 16 place settings, Energy Star certified, 1-year limited warranty. Pros: offers a steam setting for improved drying, smart app control, and operates quietly. Cons: higher price and may require pre-rinsing for silverware. Overall, the LG LDP6810SS dishwasher offers advanced features, efficient cleaning, and smart technology, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a premium appliance. The Black Plus Decker BCD6W Countertop dishwasher is an excellent solution for small kitchens, offering a compact design and affordable price point. Despite its compact size, this dishwasher boasts 7 wash cycles: normal, intensive, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid, silk, and an attractive LED display with a metal drop-down door handle. Its quick connect design allows for easy installation, eliminating the need for permanent plumbing. The Black Plus Decker BCD6W is perfect for singles, couples, or small families, providing an energy-efficient and space-saving alternative to traditional dishwashers. Energy Star certification ensures reduced utility bills, while the child lock feature adds peace of mind. Although its capacity is limited, this countertop dishwasher is ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs. Pros and cons. Pros: affordable, compact, multiple wash cycles, easy installation, energy efficient. Cons: limited capacity. Overall, the Black Plus Decker BCD6W countertop dishwasher offers exceptional value for those seeking a space-saving, easy-to-use, and energy-efficient cleaning solution. The Samsung DW8OR995 US dishwasher stands out for its exceptional quietness, energy efficiency, and innovative features. Operating at just 39 decibels, it's ideal for nighttime operation, ensuring uninterrupted sleep. Its energy-efficient design consumes only 239 kilowatt-hours, reducing utility bills and minimizing environmental impact. This sleek and minimalist dishwasher boasts 3 racks with 15-place settings, accommodating family-sized loads with ease. The auto-release door feature enhances drying efficiency, while Wi-Fi connectivity enables remote monitoring and control through Samsung's smartphone app. Users can effortlessly track cycle progress, receive notifications, and adjust settings on the go. Despite its numerous advantages, one drawback is the widely spaced prongs on the racks, potentially limiting capacity. However, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience, making the Samsung DW8OR995 US an excellent choice for those seeking a premium dishwasher experience. Pros: very quiet, energy efficient, and has Wi-Fi app control. Cons: widely spaced prongs. Overall, the Samsung DW8OR995 US dishwasher offers unparalleled quietness, energy efficiency, and smart features, solidifying its position as a top-tier cleaning solution. The KitchenAid KDF M404 KPS dishwasher impresses with its exceptional cleaning performance, quiet operation, and versatile design. Its prowess system senses soil levels and adjusts time and temperature for optimal cleaning. The addition of a 3rd rack provides extra space for glasses, cups, and small bowls, freeing up room below for larger items like mixing bowls. The adjustable and foldable tines on the top and middle racks accommodate plates of all sizes, as well as large or odd-shaped items like pots, pans, and vases. Cycle options include sanitize, rinse, and express wash, ensuring hygiene and efficiency. Operating at 40 dBA, this dishwasher is remarkably quiet, allowing for seamless integration into any kitchen. While cycle times can be lengthy, the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. Key features include excellent cleaning performance, quiet operation, and flexible rack design. With a capacity of 16 place settings and 3 racks, this dishwasher caters to diverse kitchen needs. Pros: exceptional cleaning performance, a 3rd rack for small items, and quiet operation. Cons: longer wash cycles. Overall, the KitchenAid KDF M404 KPS dishwasher offers outstanding cleaning performance, quiet operation, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. Bosch 300 Series SHSM63W55 in dishwasher is our top pick, offering exceptional cleaning performance, a 3rd rack for cutlery, and ultra-quiet operation. Its stainless steel tub and adjustable racks accommodate a wide range of dish sizes, making it ideal for diverse kitchen needs. With cycles like 1-hour wash and dry and sanitize, this dishwasher ensures hygiene and efficiency. One of its standout features is its quiet operation, which is so silent that it projects a beam of light on the floor to indicate it's running. The sleek, upscale design and reliable construction make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. While the narrowly spaced tines may make larger dishes awkward to place, this minor drawback is outweighed by the dishwasher's numerous benefits. Overall, the Bosch 300 series SHSM6 3W55 and dishwasher excels in cleaning performance, quietness, and design, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a top-notch cleaning solution without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.